Oliva, this coffee place. And then we're running a little late today. We have to go to the Museum of Illusions, and then we're gonna go meet up with my friend, YouTuber, Rach Speed. If you guys don't know her, I will link her down below. You guys can check her out. She does like fashion and all that kind of stuff, so I'm really excited to see her. I tried to dress somewhat fashionable, you know? So I'm like up to par with her. So I got a croissant. Because it matches my hair is dark. It matches like my aesthetic, you know, like Paris croissant. Anyway, and I got a hot chocolate. Good morning.
Mimi.
Are you good?
Just want this burrito.
Is it good?
Softness of the tortilla.
Literally, that's all Nick has been doing on this trip, is eating and then describing the food. So guys, now we are here at the Museum of Illusions. I'll take you guys a little tour of what it looks like over here.
For me, come and move around for me. I love in your twist and turns. Gotta show a player what you were.
It looks so tiny. What? Ew. Okay. So this place right here, it's all backwards. So the top is the ground, and I'm on the ceiling. You know.
I don't know if I like this, bro. It does make you dizzy.
So this one over here is like it's the clown table. So it looks like you're sitting at a table here with yourself, playing a game with yourself. This is the Infinity Room, and it is magical. Wow. Just do it for a one time.
Loving your twist and turns. Gotta show a player what you were.
Everywhere you go, there's me. You're welcome.
It's groovy. Where does it fit? Tell me where it fits.
It doesn't look like it in here.
You're good.
So we tried to do this thing and ew, it looks bad. You just see a lot of me?
Yeah, do it.
Come here, let me see you groove with it. Don't worry, the windows are too tinted. I'm just making sure that you do get it. Gotta break it down for me. Come and move around for me. I love in your twist and turns. Gotta show a player what you were.
This one is my favorite one. It's one I always wanted to go to. I don't like it.
Is this real?
Whoa. That was great. That was great.
Oh no.
You wanna go again? Alright guys, so we are here with Rachel and her boyfriend Dylan. If you guys don't know, you wanna shout out your channel?
Yeah, my channel is Rach Speed. I do fashion and lifestyle videos, and yeah.
So it's our first time hanging out with them. Yeah, where are we?
We're at Fresh on Front Street, so I think this is the nicest Fresh location. There's a bunch all over Toronto, but it's like 100% vegan, but the food's really, really good.
So now we got these, what are these again?
These are
cauliflower wings.
They look so good. Okay guys, so it's cauliflower. I've never had anything like this. Yes, good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good, right?
Oh, it's
You gotta do your little.
my turn. I have to do my this is my food channel time. Hot, hold on. Super crispy on the outside.
Yeah.
Very soft on the inside. The cauliflower, you can't even tell it's like cauliflower, really. There's so much spices going on. A little bit of spicy.
It's
But
nice
with
and
the
soft
ragu,
on the inside.
it's almost like a wing, but healthy. You know what I mean? Highly recommend.
How are you guys liking it? Good?
Really good.
Good?
I love this stuff. I can eat it all day.
Swagger heavy. Yeah, everybody knows she put together.
Alright guys, we're at the St. Lawrence market here. Me and the little child, we're gonna see what they got. Try it. Try it, Rachel. Oh. What do you think?
Interesting.
Interesting. Is it a yes or a trash? Yeah, yes queen. Why these grapes are long in the face. No, not a good one. Ooh, some nice scallop. That's nice. Well, hello there, chap. Alright, we're at Mike's Fish Market, St. Lawrence Market. We have the goods. I think we got the Lucky Lime, 2 Lucky Lime, and a pink and moon oysters.
Right.
And me and Rachel are going to get into it. So put a little lemon juice right there. Put a little bit of hot sauce. Yeah. Rachel, you want hot sauce? The juice and everything. My dad would be so proud. Dad, look at it. Ready? Just look. Ready? Set. It's easy. So we got a little bit of spiciness because of the Tabasco, but it was really salty, but it was very clean at the same time. It wasn't too strong of an oyster. Do you like it or no?
I mean, like, I don't know.
The consistency, if you've eaten oysters, like the consistency is something you gotta get over.
I don't eat this often. I don't know.
Since I love my hot sauce, we're gonna try this. It says shake first. Make sure you get all the goods. Ooh, it has an open spout. Gotta be careful. Cheers. This one's for mamas. For all the mamas in the world. Ready? 1, 2. That was hot.
I like that one better. I have better taste to it.
What does it taste like?
Goodness.
Oh.
Is it really spicy?
Be careful. Richard, you know about that. That was a lot.
Oh, that's really spicy. Never mind. I think I gotta go to the hospital. Now what?
Shout out to my po chat. We gonna find something else. Custom dry aged beef. Look at it. You can get them cut. They have different kinds, different cuts. It's good. Look at the fat. You got the fat right here. It's a little dry. Got different cuts and the loin.
Hours later, we're still here eating. We're at Crepe It Up, eating crepes.
Still at the bottom level of the St. Lawrence Market. We got a chocolate hazelnut crepe. That sugar, that powdered sugar. What about that? We're gonna cut a little bit. This one's for the homies. Pop.
Is it good? Wait, is it just Nutella? That's it? Is there banana?
We don't do that fruit shit. Just we're at vegan for lunch. So I need a little something that's not a little healthy. You know what I'm saying?
To balance it out.
One time. Everybody put your hands high one time.
Hey guys, so right now we are here at Starbucks and we have, what's your name?
Crystal.
It's nice to meet you. So we're doing like a little meetup, a little meet and greet. We're just like chilling. Alright, we got another person.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What's your name?
Ryan.
How's it going?
Good, good.
You wanna? Oh, he's with Nick now. He's with Nick.
Okay, but you know, we still cool too. We Gucci.
Yeah. We finished
I love the city.
hanging out at Starbucks. Now we chilling. We're going to Shoppers. Are you coming with us? Sure. Yeah? Okay. So we're going to Shoppers. The dudes are there. There they are. We're gonna getting coffee.
Coffee crisp.
Coffee crisps.
It's literally coffee chocolate.
Is it really?
Yeah. Chocolate that's coffee, so don't drink the actual liquid. Just eat it, you know?
Eat it.
Munch it.
Munch on nice coffee. If you're obsessed with coffee like me, I think this is like a must-have.
I hope you like it. I'd be like a downer.
I'd be like, oh man, Canada sucks. Dun dun dun, drama for the vlog, it's closed.
Dun, dun.
Now what?
There's probably some like.
Now what, guys?
6 p.m.
Oh, what did I just say?
What?
Canada sucks. I'm just kidding.
What sucks?
She tried
Canada.
Oh.
See, you guys don't have it like us Americans do. You know what
Wow,
I mean?
y'all are so cool. Like, I wish to be in America. The American dream, guys.